welcome back to another day of math. Yesterday, we counted to 63 for our days of the school year, and we said that it was December 7th. It's not December 7th anymore, and it's not Monday. So let's start by reviewing what month we are in. The month has not changed. We are still at this month at the top of our calendar chart here. Do you remember what that is? Yeah, it's the month of December. Say that with me. December. How many syllables do you hear in the word December? Yep, there's 3 syllables. December. Let's count how many letters are in the word December. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 letters. Let's spell it. December, December, December. December, December, December. D-E-C, D-E-C, E-E-M, E-E-M, B-E-R, B-E-R. December, December, December. December, December, December. Okay, we know that there are 3 syllables, there are 8 letters, and that the word December has a really fun holiday at the end of the month. Do you remember what it is? Yeah, Christmas. Lots of people are getting together, they're giving gifts, they're singing songs, they're baking cookies, they're having fancy meals or putting on fancy dresses and outfits. It's a fun, exciting time of the year, and it's the last month of our calendar. Yesterday was Monday. It's not Monday anymore. Let's say the days of the week to find out what day we're on today. Ready? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Good. If yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Terrific Tuesday. You're right. Great job. Now, we know it's Tuesday, but we don't know what day of the month we're in. Ask yourself, what number comes after 7? 5, 6. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. It's the number 8. Let's figure out what our pattern card is next. All right, we know it's an 8, but we don't know what the shape is going to be yet for our pattern. So let's say our pattern now to find out what shape is going to go in our pocket. We have an ornament, a tree, and a star coming in a certain order. So let's keep building on that pattern. Ready? Ornament, tree, star, star. Ornament, tree, star, star. Good. And you told me that this number comes after 7. It's the number 8. So let's put that in there. Okay, let's put all these pieces together to find out what the date really is. Ready? Today is Tuesday, December 8th, 2020. Say it again. Today is Tuesday, December 8th, 2020. Great work. Now, yesterday was the 63rd day of the school year. Oh boy, we have been doing this a really long time. It's not the 63rd day anymore. Ask yourself, what number comes after 63? It's still going to have a 6 because we haven't finished that number yet, that row, but look at the column that contains that row that's empty. Let's sing our song and find out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Here's my number 64. What number is in the tens place value? The 6. And what number is in the ones place value? The 4. Good. We have 4 of these cards now waiting to be linked up and made into a group of 10. Great job. You are going to need your hundreds chart from your packet. You're going to need your math page 52 and a pencil and some crayons. So gather those materials if you don't have them yet, because we're going to get started next. All right, boys and girls, welcome back. Behind me, you'll see our student-friendly learning poster. It says, I will locate numbers on my 100 chart. You have in your packet a paper that looks like this. It's our 100 chart. We've used this before with our skip counting. We've used this with our subtraction problems and our addition problems and looking at numbers and their order and what comes before or after certain numbers. Well, today we're going to look at how we can use this chart to identify numbers. Instead of saying we're going to count from 1 all the way to 47, we can use this chart in a faster way to find 47. So I want you to look at your chart here. We know the numbers 1 through 10 are on the top row of our chart. What we're going to concentrate on today is looking at this column. Columns go up and down. They're the big support beams that hold the roof up on your house. They're like the walls. They go up and down like a skyscraper. They're not going the lengthways, the horizontal way, like a train does on the train tracks. So I want you to look at this first column with me, and I want you to say the numbers with me. Okay, here we go. Say it with me. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91. Great. So I want you to think back to our number 47. I want you to watch as I count to 47, and then I'm going to show you a different way and tell me later which way is faster. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay, I found 47, didn't I? Now I want you to look at the second way. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. Oh, I just hit 41. 41 is going to be in the same row as 47. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. That way was faster, wasn't it? I knew where the 40 was on my chart, and I could count up to 47. I want you to try it with me now. We are going to find the number 23. We're not going to count up to 23. We're going to use our hundreds chart. Let's find the row that has the 20s in it. Ready? 1, 11, 21. Oh, did you hear the word 20 at the beginning? Yeah, 21 is in the same row as 23. Let's count up to 23. 21, 22, 23. Great. Now we're going to play a game. I am going to give you some clues, and I want you to use your 100 chart to find that number on your chart. Just use your finger to touch the number after you hear my clues. Are you ready? Here we go. Find the number that is before 72. Now this is a little trickier. Find the number that's before 72. We need to first find 72. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, and then 72. Oh, but my clue was before 72. Slide back. 71 is right before 72. Let's do another one. Find the number that is one more than 23. Well, we found 23 before, so you should find 23. What number is one more than 23? 1, 11, 21, 22, 23, 24. Here's 23. One more means one hop. Find the number that comes after 60. Remember, we've been counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. What number comes right after 60? 61. Good. We're going to do one more, and then we're going to get into our paper. The last one is one less, one smaller than 40. So find 40 first. 10, 20, 30, 40. What is one less? Did you say 39? Great job. Give yourself a pat, pat, pat on the back for a job well done. All right, we are going to get into our math paper today. Your math paper looks like this. It says 52A on it. I'm going to scoot up my camera here so you can see a little bit better, and then we're going to get into this. Now, on our paper, it says that we need to write the date. The date was what we did in calendar earlier. Let me get my board. I wrote it out for you. Here is our date. The date is December 7th, 2020, and today is Tuesday. I'm going to see if this will balance right here. Okay, I'll have to move it up for you. That's all right. December 7th, 2020. You can pause this video and you can copy this onto your paper. Your name goes at the top, then the date and the day of the week. The more we do this, the easier it's going to get and the faster you're going to get at this. So pause this video and find the date and the day of the week to put at the top of your paper. I'm going to write mine on my piece of paper while you are doing this. All right. I'm going to bring this in just a little closer so you can see even better. All right. The number at the top for number 1, it's a 4 and a 7. What number do you think that is? If we have a 4 in the tens place and a 7 in the ones place. 47. Good. So we have to trace this. And then it says write the number 47 2 more times. 4 and a 7 says 47. A 4 and a 7 says 47. We're going to divide this number into our tens and our ones place value. Don't forget to label it. The T above the number that's in the tens place value, and an O for the number that's above the ones place value. All right. Great job. Number 2 says Martel had 7 pencils and 3 markers. Okay. Then he gave a pencil to Charlie. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show how many pencils Martel has now. Whoa, 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 whoa. We've got pencils and markers and he's giving pencils away. Do we need to worry about the markers if our question says, write a number sentence to show how many pencils he has? No, they're trying to trick us up. They're trying to make it all goofy. So I want you to take your pencil and I want you to write or cross off the number 3. We're not going to worry about the markers. The markers are meant to get us all goofed up. We're only going to worry about the pencils. It says he has 7 pencils. I'm just going to draw lines because they don't have to be super fancy pencils. We just have to have 7. So draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Easy peasy, you can do that. The second part of our story says he gave a pencil. When you hear the word a, that means just one. He gave 1 pencil away. So we're going to cross off at the very end. This right side is where we're going to cross it off. Cross 1 out. Is this a sum more or a sum less story problem? Yeah, it's a sum less. He's giving them away, so his number is shrinking. It's getting smaller. Our number sentence, we need to count how many did we start our story problem with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write the 7. Now it's a sum went away. It's shrinking. So are we going to use a plus sign or a minus sign? Minus, good. That means we're taking something away. And how many did we cross off? Good, just 1. And we need our math symbol. Good. And now we need to count how many does our friend Martel have after he gave that 1 away to Charlie. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. How many pencils does Martel have now? He has 6. Ooh, now we're going to count by tens. We've been working on this. We did it on our hundreds chart, and we've done it with some of our attendance activities last week. Let's do our counting. Let's just say it first, and then we'll start writing it. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 sounds different because it's got an extra 0. It's got 3 numbers with it instead of just the 2. So let's start with our counting. 10, 20, 30, 40, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Try it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If you notice, there's a 1 in the front, a 2 in the front, a 3 in the front, a 4, a 5, and a 6. What should come next then? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 7 with your cup of tea. 70. Then comes 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Then comes 100. Good. Now we have a story problem here that we are going to use our colored crayons with. So make sure you have those for looking at position words and coloring the right backpack in this picture. All right, boys and girls, for this next one, you are going to need your blue crayon. We are going to be looking at some backpacks right here. It says Brian's backpack is the third one from the door. Color it blue. So when we've been talking about cars racing and racing, we've been talking about how the best place is first. Well, Brian's backpack is not in first. It's not in second. It is in third place. So we're going to start at the door and count. First, second, third. We're going to color this one here blue. Right? Now it says, how many backpacks are on the left side of the door? Oh, well, here's the door. Which side is left? Do you remember? Your fingers can make an L for the left. Does it make an R for the right side? No, it doesn't. So the left side, here's the door. How many are on this left side of the door? 0. Yeah, that's a silly question. There are 0 backpacks on the left side of the door. It says how many backpacks? Oh, I'm sorry. It says how many backpacks are on the left side of Brian's backpack. I misread that. I'm sorry. I goof. Rewind. See, even teachers goof up. It says how many backpacks are on the left side of his backpack. Here's his backpack. We want to count the ones that are on the left side, the ones that are in front of his backpack. So put an X over that. Silly, Mrs. Strong. That was wrong. Here's the backpack. Count the left side of it. 1, 2. There are 2. So you can write a 2 on that backpack. Silly, Mrs. Strong. I'm trying to find my right marker and I didn't read it right. How many backpacks are on the right side of his backpack? So here's his backpack. We said this was the right side because that's where my fingers can't make an R shape. So this is the right side. Count. 1, 2, 3. Now we got it. Perfect. All right, we're going to get into some of our math facts. You need to have your number line or your hundredths chart so that way you can do the skip counting with me. All right, the first one is 8 plus 8. You guys, this is a doubles fact. You know this. 8 plus 8 equals really keen. If you forgot, that's okay. We've got our number line. We need to find the number 8. It's on our chart here. It looks like a snowman. We need to hop 8 more spots, then hop with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Really keen. And we're going to go across. 7 plus 1. Here's my 7. We have to hop 1 spot. 1. We landed on 8. Here's one that you should know from our doubles wrap. 9 plus 9 equals jelly bean. 18, jelly bean. Good, because the 8 looks like it has 2 circles, kind of like the shape of a jelly bean. Let's look at the second line. 5 plus 1. If you have 5 and you get 1 more, you're going to have 6. Because 6 is 1 more than 5. 3 plus 3 equals kicks. 6, good. 0 plus 6. Oh, if you have 0 cookies and someone all of a sudden gives you 6 cookies, how many cookies do you have? Yeah, 6. 6 minus 1. Let's use our number line. If you have 6 cookies right here and someone steals 1, your number is shrinking. You're not going to be getting more, you're going to be getting less. 1 hop is the number 5. 1 plus 4. 1 is right here on my number line. We have to hop 4 spots. Remember, you can't start counting until your finger moves. Ready? Count 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. And the last one on your page, 8 minus 1. Find your 8 and hop backwards 1 spot. 1. We landed on number 7. Good. You're going to finish that up, and then we're going to move on to our math facts practice. It says 52A on it. All right, we are here with 52A. Guys, we're not going to do all of this. We're only going to do about half of it, okay? So don't get worried that we have so much more math to do. I want you to take your pencil. I want you to cross off that first line. We're not doing that, okay? What we are going to do is we're going to do 2 problems from each of those 3 lines because we just did a bunch on our math paper. But that's a good review to get our brains remembering and having these numbers kind of figured out in a faster way. So here's our number line. The first one we're going to do is right here. It says 9 take away 0. 9 minus 0. If you have 9 cookies and someone takes 0 of your cookies, they just leave them alone. How many are you going to have? Yeah, 9. Sorry, my markers fell. 2 minus 2. If you have 2 cookies and someone steals your 2 cookies, or maybe you eat both of your cookies, how many do you have left? 0. Good. Guess what? Scratch these off. We're not doing those. We already did a minus 0, and we already did a 2 minus 2. Easy peasy. 3 minus 1. Let's use our number line. Here's the number 3. If someone takes 1, we're going to hop 1 spot. What number did we land on? 2. Good. Ooh, this is a big one, but we don't have to be scared. 10 minus 1. You can think of it as what number comes before 10, if you want to do it that way, or we can use our number line. Find our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to hop backwards 1 spot. What number did we land on? 9. Good. Take your pencil. Scratch these off. You just did some. 0 plus 7. 0. Oh, that's right here. And then you get 7. Hop 7 spots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, if you go from 0 to 7, that's a really great thing. Maybe you got $7. That would be really awesome. Or 7 candy bars or 7, I don't know, pieces of pizza. That would be a really great find. 5 plus 1. You could ask yourself, what's 1 more than 5? Or we can use our number line. Here's 5. Hop 1 spot. What number did you land on? Yeah, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Take your pencil. Cross those off. All right, great job, you guys, today. I hope you enjoyed kind of doing some new different things with our numbers chart, and you did a great job. You met your goal of locating numbers on your number chart, and you are getting faster at all of those math facts. Well done. I'll see you tomorrow.